In this short video, we're going to take a quick look at two new templates for the Canvas starter site, and these are the support endpoints style 1. So we're going to look at the light and the dark mode version. These are currently available on the club website, as you can see here on my screen under the Elementor Templates section. So here we are on the Canvas starter site, and we'll look at light mode first. And we see here everything matches, obviously the design and branding of the Canvas starter site, which can be easily swapped out for your styling of choice. We have a unique hover styling going on there, and the same with these headings that kind of match the same, the same border radius on hover. So that's kind of a cool effect there. Placeholder images here, obviously. If you've watched any of the videos I've done for this starter site, you'll understand why those are there, and that there are images in the back end that you can easily reference and swap, so you know how to swap these out and what size images you need there. We have a nice, this is the modern accordion, I call it, which is like the newest technology from Elementor. So it's using the newest accordions available to you, so you can quickly punch in your questions and answers there. And then here we have a nice kind of like a carousel of videos that you can put in here to further help with whatever the support topic here. So maybe here it's like my account questions, and then you have some videos related to that, as well as Q&A over on the left. And then as we scroll down, each of these headings here are a different color. So this one's topic 2 is our accent color. Topic 1 is 10% lighter, and then topic 3 is 10% darker than our accent, which corresponds also up to here when we hover. So that's 10% lighter, then we have our accent color, and then we have our 10% darker. Okay, so everything I do here is has a rhyme or a reason to it. Okay, same thing with the accordions. These all match. So this is our accent color accordions. This is 10% darker. Okay, same thing. We've got carousel section down here for each of the topics. And then down here we have a support request form. And this is pre-populated with the name of the person logged in and their email. So that's a nice feature. They can choose their subject, obviously, and send their message. All right, let's go ahead and check how this looks on tablet. There we go. So we see everything looks good. Everything looks good. Jumping over to mobile. Okay, everything looks good here. Cool. All good, all good. And then we've got the form there at the bottom. All right, so everything looks good. I think that's about all we need to say about that. We'll quickly look at the dark mode version. Same concept. It's just, as you're familiar with dark mode, I'm sure. 10% accent, 10% darker. All right, same thing flows down here. Nice hover effect. Our image, our video carousel, and so on and so forth. Here's our form. Looking down here at the bottom, obviously this footer is the light mode version, so Canvas does have dark mode versions. You just swap that out if you want to change that as well. Okay. And then it's all the same stuff, so it's going to be mobile responsive. Out of the box, good to go. Now, there is, this can be used for any of your support page, like you're just a support page. You can turn this into something else, another educational page, whatever you want. Also, if you look at the build notes of Canvas, you'll see that I mentioned this as being a support endpoint. And what that means is I've given you a guide, which you can find in the Canvas build notes. So mylisting.club, starter sites, and then go to Canvas and then the build notes. And in there, you'll see the support endpoint toggle. You know what? Let's just go there. We'll go to MyListing Club website, and we'll just go down here to starter sites. And if I could find my own stuff, where are we at here? Here we go, starter sites. And then we just scroll down and we just find the Canvas starter site, and let's go into that one. And we jump down here to the build notes. And we look for support. Where are we at here? Support. There's so much stuff with the starter site that it's got to find it. Let's just do a search here for support. There we go. Support endpoint. So we expand this, And this gives you the 2 templates we just covered in this video, but there's also a link to a guide here for how to add custom templates to the WooCommerce menu system. So if you click on that link, follow the guide. What that does is when you're in that, the MyListing dashboard area, the WooCommerce menu system, however it is that you want to call it, this guide shows you how to easily inject these custom pages in there. Okay. Really cool stuff. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.